typhoon, hurricane, tropical cyclone. These three words strike fear into anyone living in a coastal area across the world. These storms are the deadliest, most violent, and most powerful storms known to man. Tropical cyclones cause huge storm surge, extreme flooding, horrendous landslides, and very destructive winds. From 1995 to 2015, they have been attributed to 242,000 fatalities, which account for 40% of all the reported storm deaths. Each second, a tropical cyclone releases as much energy as the atomic bomb that was dropped upon Hiroshima. From extreme precipitation resulting from landfalling tropical cyclones, rivers and streams can rise and overflow, destroying many roadways, highways and bridges, and homes, leaving people with the feeling that they have lost everything. For a tropical cyclone to form, three things are needed: high sea surface temperatures, saturated air over the surface, and upper level winds. Once organized, an eye will appear. This area of low pressure is between 12 and 30 miles wide. Surrounding the eye is the eye wall. This area has the highest wind speeds and the most intense rainfall of the tropical cyclone. The next layers are the rain bands. These are a series of convective storms that produce large rain amounts and high winds. These bands spiral towards the eye. At 74 miles per hour, a tropical cyclone is classified as a hurricane if it is in the Atlantic. Using the Saffir-Simpson scale, an Atlantic hurricane will be given a category based upon the wind speed of the eye wall. Why do tropical cyclones spin? Well, the Earth's rotation affects the wind's direction as they blow. This will cause the winds to curve as they cross the globe. As mentioned before, the eye is a region of low pressure. This will attract high pressure areas to the eye. As the air moves towards the eye, the Earth's rotation will curve it. This will give the tropical cyclone its spin. This is also known as the Coriolis effect. In the northern hemisphere, tropical cyclones will rotate counterclockwise, while in the southern hemisphere they rotate clockwise. People will prepare for tropical cyclones in many different ways. Most only think of high winds and the huge storm surge that they bring. But in recent events, excessive rainfall has caused as much, if not more, damage than these two combined. Stalling tropical cyclones help bring more precipitation to an area, but why do they stall? Trade winds will slow or die, or tropical cyclones will hit high pressure systems, which will stall them over an area for a long time, like shown here in Louisiana in Isaac in 2012, or here in Harvey over Texas in 2017. The longer the stall, the more rainfall, like the total shown here over Houston from Harvey, or the totals for Michael in Florida, the totals from Hurricane Lane in Hawaii, or even the totals from Kopu in the Philippines. Disturbing images from the extreme rainfall caused by tropical cyclones can be seen here, from Florence in Wilmington, North Carolina, which destroyed houses and roads, or here from Harvey in 2017, which destroyed many community buildings and houses. This chart shows the costliest hurricanes since 1980. Many changes have occurred over the course of time, from changes in FEMA leadership to changes in focusing on a community perspective to help the whole community, where store owners were open up as soon as possible to help distribute the goods and services for the people affected in the areas. The use of social media has also become very big, which was not really used before Katrina. Now we are going beyond rebuilding, striving for resilience over sustainability. By moving resources into an area before the storm, this can also speed up recovery efforts from the groups that are there to help the survivors. As a result of these extreme precipitation events, new research focuses on tropical cyclone stalling, increased intensity, and climate change effects. This will help people be more prepared in the future. Gathering supplies and goods before a tropical cyclone makes landfall can save lives. Once a tropical cyclone makes landfall, it is too late to prepare. Through better understanding of tropical cyclones, we can prepare and be resilient, even on the sunny days.